How many push-ups do you actually need to build muscle? 10, 100, or none of these? Most people either do too few and stay weak or overdo it chasing numbers that don't even work. Truth about push-ups. But here's the reality. You don't need hundreds of push-ups daily to get stronger. You only need the correct amount, done the right way. In the next few minutes, I'll explain how push-ups truly build muscle, the exact number you should perform daily based on your fitness level, and why your technique and recovery matter more than your rep count. Let's clear the confusion and get you real results. Each push-up isn't just a rep, it's a message. When you push your body off the floor, you're engaging your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. This causes micro tears in your muscle fibers, and that's beneficial. Your body reacts by repairing those tears through a process known as muscle hypertrophy, building them bigger and stronger. How many push-ups a day? That means if you're consistent, your push-ups aren't merely burning calories. They're building real muscle mass, but only if you're doing the correct amount. So, how many should you be doing? First, begin by finding your max. How many clean push-ups can you complete in a row with perfect form? Then follow this guideline. If your max is under 25 reps, do 50 to 75 push-ups daily in 2 to 3 sets. If you can do 25 to 50 reps, do 75 to 150 reps daily in 3 to 4 sets. If you're above 50 reps, aim for 150 to 250 push-ups daily across 4 or more sets. But don't stop there. You have to progress. Every week, add 5 to 10 more total reps, or reduce your rest time. That's called progressive overload, and it's the only way to keep improving. How to do push-ups. Now, how should you do push-ups? Here's the truth. 100 sloppy push-ups? They won't get you anywhere. But 10 perfect ones? That's how you truly build muscle. Pay close attention to your form. No sagging hips, no flared elbows, no bouncing your head up and down. Fix it with this 3-step checklist. First, keep your core tight. Second, keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Third, hands just outside your shoulders, elbows at a 45-degree angle. Good form doesn't just prevent injuries. It speeds up your progress. Feel like you've mastered regular push-ups? Great. Now it's time to level up. Try these 3 muscle-building variations. Decline push-ups to focus on your upper chest and shoulders. How to level up. Diamond push-ups to build serious tricep strength. Plyometric push-ups to develop explosive power and activate fast-twitch muscle fibers. That's how you break plateaus and keep making gains. More push-ups doesn't mean more progress. In fact, overtraining can completely halt your gains. Muscles grow during rest, not reps. So after intense sessions, give them 48 to 72 hours to recover. Alternate heavy and light days, or stick to 3 to 4 focus sessions a week. And on rest days, walk, stretch, mobilize. Because smart recovery is what makes training effective. So now you have the answer. How many push-ups do you really need each day to build muscle? Enough to challenge your body. Done with clean, controlled form. Increased gradually over time. And supported by proper rest and recovery. Don't just chase big numbers. Chase better reps, smarter plans, and steady progress. Thanks for watching.